Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you had an amazing weekend and you're ready to start this next week of learning. We are on to week 2 material, so make sure you dig through your resource packet and find everything for week 2. Right now, I want to focus in on that game that we get to play all week. So, pull out your packet and find the page that looks like this. It's the equivalent expressions match, and you guys, I hope, remember that equivalent has a root word similar to equal in it, so I'm looking for expressions that say the same thing. They may look different. One of them is going to do it in word form and one will do it in a number form, but the general math inside of it will be the same. So after that, in your packet you should have 2 pages, one that looks like this and one that looks like this. Okay? You need to take a few seconds right now and cut those out so that you can get your game all set up. So go ahead and pull those out, get them cut up while I read off your directions here. First step is, once you have the cards cut, to shuffle them all in so that they're not in a nice order anymore. And then take turns to turn over 2 cards and determine if they are a match. Sorry, I forgot a part. You should have them set up in 3 rows of 6, so kind of a big rectangle. Then you take turns turning over 2 cards. Player 1 would go first and flip 2. If they're a match, they keep them and go again. If it's not a match, you put them right back where they were, and it's the next person's turn. And you keep going until all the matches are put together. Whoever ends up with the most matches is the winner of that round. And if you really want to get competitive, you could play a couple rounds and see who has the most after 3 rounds or something like that. Okay? It's a lot like the game Memory that you guys would have played as kids. So, I have my cards all cut up, and just to show you what you're looking for, I pulled out a match. This says 8 plus 10 minus 3. Okay? And this up here says 8 plus the difference of 10 and 3. We know that difference is a word for subtraction. I know that plus is that. I have and then my numbers after that. So this would be a match. Parents, in a little bit I will have an answer key up online for you. Alright, now my video doesn't allow me to do 3 rows of 6, so I'll just make a quick little one right here just to show you. So I'm going to take these, flip them all down so that, oops, that's got 2, so that I can't see the answers. And if I was the first player, I'd say, okay, I want to do this one and this one. Looking at them, I can already tell I'm off because this starts off with 8 more than the result of. And that doesn't work for me because I don't even have an 8 in this problem. So my turn would be over. Put them back where they were. And then it's the next player's turn. Let's say they take these 2. And these definitely don't match because they're 2 different math problems entirely. So now it would be back to my turn. And you'd keep flipping and going through until you did that. Now I don't have a matching pair here, but I do remember seeing an 8. So on my next turn, I'd want to go back to that card that had the 8 in it, and maybe that would make me my match. Okay? I hope you guys have fun playing that game this week. Don't forget to be practicing your number bond cards too. Have a great day.